Kool-aid Play-doh. What you need is 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup salt, 1 packet of Kool-Aid, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, here we are. These are our ingredients. I got them all set out. And I'm going to begin to cook it. You need an adult to help you with this part right here. Please hold for me. Okay. We start out mixing our dry ingredients. We need 1 cup of flour. I'm making a mess. That's a 1/2 cup. So we need 2 halves to make 1 whole. One-4 cup of salt. So we fill it halfway to the halfway line. 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. This makes it stay good for longer. And our Kool-Aid for color, and it's gonna smell delicious like lemonade. I put 2 packages because I like the extra color and smell. Ooh, I got it in my nose. Mix all this stuff up. Okay, next we need to add our wet ingredients. 1 cup of warm water. 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using coconut oil. And let's get cooking. I'm going to put it on medium heat. Well, it's looking like we're going to need some more color. So luckily, I just happen to have some icing color. Which are, So now it's going to be really colorful. Oh, that works really good. See if I get some of that color. That's going to stain my fingers. Oh, that's much better. Here. Let's make it a little brighter. Ooh. Oh, that's going to be like yellow like the sun. Okay. You got to stir it until it starts getting lumpy. We gotta constantly stir it too, so you're really gonna need an adult to stir this on the stove like this. See how it's starting to get lumpy? It's starting to pull away from the pan? That's where you want to get it. It's going to cook into a ball. That's when it's going to get really hard to stir. This makes the best Play-Doh I've ever made too. This recipe. The best one I've ever found. So, I don't understand why people buy Play-Doh, because this is the greatest. It smells good. It feels just like real Play-Doh. The Play-Doh company probably makes their Play-Doh like this, but it's probably, this is actually safe and edible. You could eat this, even though it's going to taste very salty. You could eat this. Oh, it's suggested though. But it's safe for children that might taste it. Or put their mouth on it. It's not going to hurt them. Now, there we go. That's the Play-Doh right there. Okay, let's get this out of here before it starts burning. Off. Oh, I'm getting yellow all over my dishes. Yellow. My whole hand's yellow now. That's good. All that extra yellow will come off in the Play-Doh when I mix it. Now it's hot right here. You're gonna need to knead it, but you might not be able to right out of the pan so much. My hands are a little used to being on in the heat, so there we go. Come off, yellow. Yellow. Get off the yellows. Oh my god, it smells so lemony. It smells good. Okay. And it's going to be too hot for little hands. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it in saran wrap and stick it in the refrigerator. You're going to want to keep it in the refrigerator wrapped in saran wrap to make it last longer too, so the kids can play with it longer. I can't stop mushing it. It feels so good. Okay, well thank you. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Oh, let me show the other ones real quick. I've already made blue, yellow, and here's my cherry red. Those are the three we made so far. Lemon, fruit punch, and cherry. Have a wonderful night.